Yo everybody, what's going on? This is HyperShadow92 here, and today I'm doing a very good, cool unboxing for you guys, and I am unboxing Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for the Nintendo Switch, and plus the Smash Bros. Ultimate game guide that I also got tonight from the early release for Smash Bros. At my local Gamestop. We'll go ahead and look at the game here first. See, then we got the game, the cover for it, which is what we've already seen so far. We get the spine, then we get the back. I mean, in case you guys want to read that, you can pause it right here so you can read it. And without further ado, we're going to unbox this. Oh boy, you guys have no idea how long I have been waiting for this moment here. I've been waiting for this since we could pre-order it, and now the day is finally here. Boy, we're gonna be having a good old fun time doing some Smash Bros. Related stuff now. Now we're gonna get. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that, man! I've been trying to keep myself spoiler free, except for the little stuff I've been retweeting on Twitter, like for stuff talking about it, but I've never actually looked at it for myself. Man, it looks so damn cool. Especially we're ready to fight. But you get all the playable characters inside here. Go ahead and, oh my, are you serious? The Smash Ball. This game is getting better and better by the minute. Okay, so here's the game card. Focus. There you go. Game card's right there. Oh man, this game there is just wow. It's hard to believe that the wait for this is finally over. For all what we've been waiting for. And now, we're going to be looking at the guide here now. Okay, let's see if we can get this. I don't really want to use the knife because I'm afraid I might cut the book, and I really don't want to do that, but apparently we're going to have to do something with it. Okay, come on. Please don't cut the book. Okay, we didn't. Okay. We didn't cut the book. We're gonna see if we can get this out. Okay, yeah, here we go, okay. We're getting in it now. We're getting in it now. Take this and just, and this is the front of the game guide. The side of it, Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, and then you got the back. Let's do a little quick scroll through it. Let's see. So far, it's pretty freaking cool. Let's see if I can find my boy in here, because I'm pretty sure you all know who I'm really looking for. I'm just doing it just to see if I can find him for sake of the video. Well, I don't know, what did I pass him? Can't tell. What really? Regardless, this is the game guide for the game here, and right now for what? Yeah, here we go. Here's my boy. There's my boy who I'm gonna be playing as Sonic. If only Shadow was in here. I really thought Shadow was in here, but apparently he ain't. But regardless, I'm still gonna be playing as Sonic, and with this right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video right here, and hope you guys enjoyed it. This has been my unboxing for Super Smash Bros. Ultimate for the Nintendo Switch, and I will be definitely doing some playing tomorrow for when I download that day 1 patch. But regardless, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up to a close here. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and if you got Smash Ultimate too, let me know in the comments below if you picked it up also as well. And until the next video, I'm going to be signing out. This is Hyper Shadow 92, and I am signing out. Peace.